Namaste my dear friends. Volume of cone. Basics knowledge to understand the concept. Radius, diameter, height, and volume of cylinder. Let us consider the radius of the cylinder and the radius of the cone are equal. Similarly, the height of the cylinder and the height of the cone are equal. The formula of the volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Let us take a cylinder and a cone. We fill the cylinder with a liquid. Now we fill the cone or cones until the liquid is empty in the cylinder. By observing this activity. So, the volume of the cylinder is equal to 3 times the volume of the cone. We can write it as. Let us interchange LHS and RHS. 3 times the volume of the cone is equal to the volume of the cylinder. The multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1/3. So, multiply both sides by 1/3. We get volume of the cone is equal to the 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. Substitute the volume of the cylinder in the statement. That is pi r square h. So, the volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 of pi r square h. If you want more information about the content or anything related to the subject, please refer to the blogger and clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching the video, friends.